In my role, I oversee all of the product engineering and technology development at our company. Hue is a seed stage company. We are a SaaS business that sells to brands and retailers, mostly in the fashion and beauty space. And we're an e-commerce technology company that helps to integrate shoppable user-generated video onto brand and retailer websites. We have been working with the Binariks team for over 2 years now, and they have been absolutely instrumental in helping us to develop our product, really from the MVP stage all the way now to where we have over 60 customers, including very large enterprises, using our technology. When we started with Binariks, one of the main reasons why we chose to partner together is that we had actually previously worked with another contracting team who we weren't very satisfied with the quality as well as the just overall collaboration and communication with the team. Binariks actually came in from a recommendation from another founder who had worked with the team and had really spoken highly of the whole experience working together. And we also have had an incredible experience over the last 2 years. First of all, they took a really great incremental approach to figuring out how we could build out the MVP in terms of refactoring and rebuilding the infrastructure that we had from the prior contractors, but doing it in a way that used all industry best practices and set us well up for success going forward. In fact, when we ended up hiring our own in-house engineers, which came on later after Binariks had actually built out the product, they were really impressed by the infrastructure, the decisions, the architecture, and just the overall quality of code that Binariks had put together in building our product. So they really helped us establish a very solid foundation. Secondly, one of the things that I really value about the partnership is that the whole team really feels like they are part of our team. We've had the same team of core engineers, QA, DevOps, project manager, even UX, UI design for quite an extended period of time. And I really feel that unlike other contractors who kind of treat you just as a client, they really treat this as being a part of the Hue team. And that really comes to life when it comes to thinking about how we can improve and scale the product. They're always coming to the table with new ideas of improvements. They want to hear about the customer feedback that our customers have, and they're constantly available. Even if we have an outage or an issue in our time zone, there has never been a time where they wouldn't just jump on, even if it might be late in their hours, to help address any, ongoing concerns or customer issues. So we felt really, really confident working with Binariks as a partner, especially with some really large enterprise customers who want to see that your developers are capable of supporting their needs. I would also say that Binariks has really helped grow as our company has grown. We started out with them when we had basically 0 customers. Now we have over 60, and they've really been able to be flexible in evolving to our needs. One example of that, we've recently invested a lot in AI and machine learning technology. They were able to adapt to those needs and help us build out our initial data warehouse, help build out the initial ML algorithm, as well as the analytics that we needed in order to measure the success of that project. So I've been really satisfied that whenever there's been a new technical need or a new product need, it seems that there are folks on the Binariks team who have relevant expertise that can come in and help us build out those capabilities. So overall, I would say that I would highly, highly recommend any other startup, especially early stage startups, to work with Binariks. I've already recommended them to many of my own founder friends. It is very, very difficult to find a development partner who you can truly trust, who has your best interest at heart, who will be collaborative and flexible to your needs and will build in a high quality way. And I can say that Binariks has met all of those boxes for us. So I would highly recommend them if you're looking for someone to build out an MVP, if you're looking for someone to support maybe your in-house team and just extend your resources. They are an excellent team to work with. And I hope that everyone gets the opportunity to have a partner as great as them.